All right, traders, today is February 1st, 2024. Rabbit, let's take a look at the BYOB Market Wrap Up. All right, let's take a look at SPY. All right, so SPY put in MMRP. I think on the 30-minute chart, you can see right here, we put in higher lows and higher highs throughout the day. It's a 30-minute MMRP, igniting move up, break through resistance, come back, check it for support, and then we start off with our price advancement candles. All right, so we went all the way up to almost challenge the prior day's high. We didn't quite make it. We came up short by about 9 cents. So almost got there. See what we got for highs here. Nope. Yeah, we made it. That was 489.08. And yesterday's high was 499.08. So there we go. Hit yesterday's high. So let's take a look at the market on the daily pattern. All right. So we got gotta say it, that's a bearish engulfing if I've ever seen one. That's a bullish engulfing if I've ever seen one. So there we have it, a bullish engulfing candle closing up over the trap, over the trend indicator, still in an uptrend. Let's take a look at QQQ. Same thing happened, bullish engulfing, closing over the trap, over the trend indicator, still in an uptrend. FNGU, almost bullish engulfing, got a little bit more work to do, but coming close. Let me just say that. Okay. Closing under the trap, over the trend indicator. We got some big earnings coming out for FNGU in the closing hours. We'll take a look at those. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow, bullish engulfing, almost. Missing it by maybe pennies here. Okay. Got a lower high, lower low, closing over the trap, over the trend indicator. Nice work there. IWM. IWM spikes the uptrend line right there. So there we've got price action closing over the trap and over the trend indicator for IWM. USO. USO, whoa, different story going on at USO camp, all right? Lower high, lower low, closing below the midpoint. Not good look for USO. All right, let's take a look at UNG. UNG printing new lows every day. Lower high, lower low. See if we broke those prior lows. And not quite. Oh, we're coming close. UNG still in an uptrend till it breaks those lows right there. All right. USO still in an uptrend. SLV, let's take a look at precious metals. Lower high, lower low, closing below the trap, below the trend indicator. Well, let's try SLV. All right, SLV, sorry, different story here. All right, higher low, lower high. So kind of an inside day to the previous day, but closing over the trap and over the trend indicator. Still in a downtrend. Trying to correct that right now. SLV. GLD. GLD, higher low, higher high. Trying to hold on to that uptrend, breaking the downtrend line right through there. Closing over the trap, over the trend indicator for GLD. T2122. All right, so T2122 comes down into the chop zone, into the sell zone, rips up out of the sell zone, through the seller's chop zone, into the buyer's chop zone, headed back to knock on the door at the buy zone. So here we are. We knocked on the door. We came in. We had a cup of coffee, and we left. That's what happened at T2122. T2123 came down, hit the rising 200 SMA right there, and just bounced like a red rubber school ball right there. See that? Down into the red, rising 200 and ripped right back up. That is a higher low for T2123. Looking for the bulls to produce that higher high. T2123 3 bar. We had some space. They closed the space, and now we've reopened the space right there. So price action closing well up over, a little bit over the trend indicator, but back to the bullish mode as we came in hard right into the trend indicator there. FNGU. FNGU was kind of stuck on VWAP all day. We got some big earnings tonight, so we'll take a look at that. We did get a little bullish near the end. Got some rubber band candle. Nothing got broken though. So a little bit of FNGU price action kind of fading, grinding ever so slightly up over VWAP there. So let's go take a look at the closing hour and see what we got. Sure. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice rip there. Okay. So let's take a look at what do we want? We want one for Amazon. All right. Let's push that up right about there. And we want one. And we want one for Meta. Let's push that right up about there. Let's move it over. Just go where I tell you to go. And we got one more we want for, who else? I think we want some Apple, right? We want some Apple. See what the Apple does. And we want these on 10-minute time frames. And let's do this because things get wild and whippy. And let's move it in. Apple's going in the right direction. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, Meta's going in the right direction. Oh my gosh, look at Meta. And for the last one, we got Amazon. Amazon's going in the right direction. And we might as well get another one with the SPY. And SPY's going in the right direction. And there we have it. Everyone, have a wonderful evening. I'll see y'all here tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. We'll do the Friday thing. All right, options expiration Friday. Meanwhile, I'll put my charts up here. And we can, what was that?